Thank you for purchasing Deadbolt electronic locks. The following installation is for all deadbolt locks. First of all, you want to go ahead and insert your latch into the right hinge door. This is a right hinge door. You push it in, make sure it's all straight and aligned. Take your 2 wood screws, which are these, go ahead and place those on the latch like so. Then what you want to go ahead and do is screw them in. And make sure that they're all nice and tight. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is take your back panel assembly, take the screw off that's located on the battery case, remove that screw, which is this screw right here. Then your mounting plate will come off. Once your mounting plate comes off, just put it to the left. Take your keypad, take the back of your keypad, put the rod vertical. When you put the rod vertical, now you're going to go ahead and insert it into the latch with the wiring harness being towards the bottom, and then putting the tail piece vertical in through the latch. Once you do that, you will have this. Once you complete that, take your wiring harness, take your mounting plate, put the wiring harness through the mounting plate with this side facing the door. Place it on the door. Once you place it on the door, you want to go ahead and take your 2 longer flat screws. Take the first one and align it correctly. Once you align it, go ahead and make sure that you're going to go ahead and screw it in. Hand tight first. And then you take the other screw and you find the hole position, and you go ahead and tighten that up lightly. Then you take your Phillips screwdriver and you screw it in. Make sure that your keypad and the mounting plate look straight so your door can come out nice. And take the other screw and you screw that screw in. Make sure that those are nice and tight. Then make sure that your latch works, coming in and out with the tailpiece. Following, putting the screw in on the very top, add that screw in. Then and thereafter you're going to go ahead and take the wiring harness with the black line that's located on top of the wiring harness and the black line that's inside the other connector. Take them both, push it in, make sure it's nice and tight so that way your keypad will work just fine. Take your knob on the back, put that horizontal. Then you're going to go ahead and make sure that you push this part in. Once you do that, you'll be able to move your latch in and out manually. Then you take the longer screw with that head, you put it in on the bottom. Make sure that that's nice and tight and snug. Now you still got the action. Now you take the 2 small Phillips screws, attach it to here, put one in on the left, put one in on the right, Now you're ready to go. Now you're going to go ahead and install your batteries. Once you install your batteries, you will hear it beep twice. Make sure all your batteries are aligned correctly, just like the example shows on the inside of the back panel assembly. Now you are ready to go. Make sure that it's working correctly. We're at the default of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unlock, and you have installed your lock correctly.